Marcol 5.2. Marcol 5.2 is a colorless, odorless and tasteless purified mixture of liquid saturated hydrocarbons. The transparent oily liquid is obtained from petroleum through several refining stages, including an ultimate purification by catalytic hydrogenation. Marcol 5.2 offers a high level of safety, thanks to its high purity, and the complete destruction of germs in the high-temperature manufacturing process. Function: Adjuvant in vaccines for animals, cattle, chickens, and pigs, where its low viscosity offers optimal efficacy.
Welcome to contact us. You can contact us by mail.